After a lot of restrictions with COVID over the past 2 years, things have finally started to go back to normal in May, where we were able to once again attend the NAMPO exhibition, where we launched our new CLR 107 cleaner with a capacity of 7 to 18 tons per hour. We have now completed the design on a standalone unit complete with aspiration and a structure. This allows clients to install the cleaner into any existing system or to use as a standalone cleaner to clean grains like soya or sunflower. We also launched our new DGX degerminator with improved extraction rates and extremely low maintenance costs. Results on power consumption also looks very promising, on which we will share more details early in the new year.
In the past year, we have invested quite heavily on our own production site by installing a large solar system to give us constant electricity to ensure a good, reliable supply of machines to our clients. On the manufacturing side, we are constantly improving to bring down production cost and increase production. An exciting new development that we are about to launch in 2023 is a small, low-fat grits mill. Parts of this development can be incorporated in an existing R70 mill to improve our client's product to the market. If you have not subscribed to our Roff newsletter yet, consider doing so. It's a great place to know what's happening in the milling market, as well as where we are sharing great tips on how to run a successful business.
We'd like to thank all our clients for the support during the year. We wish you blessed holidays, be safe and enjoy the time of your families.